Hello everyone, wish you have enjoy your nice weekend, and I'm here again from IDA Investor Doctor Academy to our new episode of An Apple a Week, our weekly futures review. So today I will share about how the market behaved for the last week, which is from 4th of March to 8th of March, and also I will share about how we're going to trade for the next week. Alright, so I already go through all the markets that we trade. Then I found that there's a mixed signal for the last week, so this make us quite challenging to trade for the next week. So meaning that because there is no absolute selling or buying pressure in the market, so the trend for the next week can be changing. Okay, so we need to watch out the price action to adjust our trading setup. So first of all, below this video, we actually got provide our channel link like YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and i3. And also in our channels, we will share about the latest futures news and also the futures trading idea and also future trading setup. So if you're keen of learn more about future trading, please feel free to join us because these channels are free. Okay, so also please like and share our channel to let more people know that we actually got this kind of the futures platform. Okay, so if you got any problem or you the product that you trade is not included in our weekly review, so you can feel free to comment, to PM, or contact by our phone number 011-5353-7589. So first of all, we're gonna look at the Malaysia. Let's start from FKLI. So how we gonna say that why the FKLI become more challenging for the next week? So we see here the vertical line here is stand for last Monday. So we can see here the price keep forming lower highs and lower lows. Okay, enter a sideways and by the last day hit more than near 2 months low. Okay, which is the lowest since mid of Jan. Okay, so below this 1673, which is below last week low, will trigger another sell signal. Okay, which we also can say that the FKLI below 1700 is more to bearish. Okay, which is around the middle line Bollinger Band here. So below 1700, we can focus on the sell setup first, and also the further sell setup below 1673 last week low. Okay, but the issue is that I draw a Fibo retracement level here, which indicated there if the FKLI managed to rebound above 38.2 level, which is around 1670 support level, then this rebound stage can be continued. Okay, so meaning that the FKLI now is more to bearish, but also near the support. So we're not sure yet whether the index strong enough to break further downside. So we need to watch out the price action. So my trading setup is below 1673, I will go for short, but I will look out if this level 1670 support level holds and rebound, and then I will change to buy setup. And also for short term, I can look for the buy setup above 1687.5. okay, because maybe test the 1700 level. So generally below 1700 level, I will look for the sell setup first. Okay, so this is how I going to trade for the FKLI for next week. Okay, so we can see here indicator is still bearish, match with our analysis, but near the support. Okay, our chart also show the same. Alright, so let's move to the second market, which is FCPO Malaysia. Okay, let's take a look at the palm oil. Okay, last Monday we can see a sharp fall just like FKLI did. Okay, after a sharp fall, enter a sideways, also same like FKLI. So we can see here that this both market almost move to in the same way, and then it form a double bottom signal here. Okay, meaning that below 2115 will trigger more downside. So below 2115, I will look for a sell setup, but also I draw a Fibo retracement level here. It's already near the support level around 2090. Okay, which 30 points from here. Okay, so around 2090 to the 8.2 Fibo retracement level here, I will look out if the price whether can break through or sustain and rebound from there. From there, okay, meaning that below 2100 I will see whether got rebound signal, then I will change to the buy setup. Okay, for now below 215 I will look for a sell setup first. If you are aggressive traders, okay, you can look for a buy setup first and then change to sell setup below the last week low 2115. Okay, and actually the CPO enter a sideways here from 2115 to 2217, so we need to look for more breakout signal. So as long as the FCPO below middle line of Bollinger Band, which is around 2217, I still signal more technical correction ahead. The chance is still there. Okay, the chance is still there. So if we look at the hourly chart, also showing the same. It's a more to bearish trend. We can see here lower highs and lower lows, but now testing a support. Wait for confirmation. Okay, potential double bottom from here. Okay. So my trading setup below 2115 sell, and then around 2090 support level, I will see whether got rebound signal there, and then I will change to buy. Okay, or for aggressive trader may buy now and then the quick cut loss below 2115. Okay, that's all with the Malaysian market. Let's move to US market. So if we look at the crude oil, alright, crude oil is overall in a sideways, but break lower during the last day, which is near 1 month low, which is the lowest since mid of February. But we can see here a quick pushback from the 54.5, okay, back to above 56, which is a strong indicator of return of buying power. Okay, so we need to watch out for the more price action to confirm the signal. So if we look at the smaller time frame, we can see here is a strong rebound from RSI oversold and then pull back to above 56. Okay, so my trading setup is above last Friday high, which is above 56.2. I will look for a short-term buy setup. Okay, short-term buy setup, and then below 54.5, I will change to a sell setup. And overall is in a larger sideways, which is from 54 to 58. Okay, so can trade between this range and wait for more breakout. And then we move to the gold. Okay, gold we can see here, this is last Monday. We can see here last Monday break lower low to test the 1280 level, but managed to sustain above that, enter sideways, and during the last trading day, which is last Friday, trigger a strong rebound to testing 1300 level. Okay, so from here it's also a mixed signal between the buyers and sellers. Okay, because the buyers only come out during the last trading day, so we're not sure whether the buying power can sustain or not, so we need to watch out for more price action to confirm. Alright, so below 1275, I will look for the sell setup first, which is lower low, the lowest since end of January. Okay, and then if the gold price can sustain above 1300, I will look for the short-term buy setup, and then I see how far it can go. Okay, so my trading setup for the gold, below 1275 short, above 1300 long. Okay, and then watch out for more changes in price action to see whether the buying power can sustain. And then at last, we look at the Dow Jones. So Dow Jones, okay, is almost same like the FKLI. Okay, create lower highs and lower lows, testing for technical correction, and then now touching the lower band of Bollinger Band, and then trigger a strong rebound here. So we can see it's almost same with the crude oil and also the gold. Okay, strong rebound during the last trading day. Alright, but we need to watch out for more price action to see whether this rebound can be continued. Okay, so from our chart, we can see here is in our RSI oversold rebound. Okay, so above 25555, I will look for the buy setup and then look for the price wave in smaller time frame. Okay, you can look at the 5-minute or 15-minute chart. Okay, it depends on your trading style. Okay, so at last, let me do a summary for these 5 markets. Alright, FKLI is almost same with FCPO, is in a more to bearish trend, but if I doing a feeble retracement level here, is actually near to critical support level. Alright, so watch out for the feeble level to see whether got rebound there or continue to drop down. So for now, for the stage now, FKLI below 1700 is more to the downside, look for the sell set up, or below last week low, which is 1673, look for the sell set up. Okay, and then the CPO for now below 2220 is focused on more on sell set up, and then below last week low 2115 focus on the sell set up. Okay, and then we see whether got rebound signal from the feeble level. All right, crude oil and Dow Jones is almost alike because they're both testing for a technical correction in a rebound stage. So we need to wait for more price action. All right, so we see here during the last trading day the return of buying power. So for the stage now, crude oil, gold, and also the Dow Jones, we can look for the buy set up first, and then we see more price action. Okay, the whether it's up waves or down waves. Okay, so especially the gold is testing the 1275 support, so below 1275 support I will look for the sell set up. Okay, for now I will stick to the buy set up first because the return of buying power. Okay, so that will be all for this week. Okay, so any changes in the price set up, in the price action, or also the trading setup, we will share in the group. So once again, our free channel link is included below this video, so feel free to join us. And also, if you got any question, just feel free to comment, PM, or contact by our phone number 011-5353-7589. I see you guys next week. Thank you. Bye bye.